With 10 days left for 2024 election results, the political discourse is sinking to new depths. After Rahul Gandhi suggested that the Prime Minister should be taken to a psychiatrist for thinking he isn't biologically born, now Congress President Kharge has heaped more insults. Citing the Prime Minister's holy dip at Varanasi and his underwater tapasya at Dwarka, Mallikarjun Kharge says he at times jumps into the sea or goes off to take a dip in Ganga. He's talking about 2047. Will he be alive till then? Emphasizing the importance of actions and their consequences, Kharge also draws parallels between the Prime Minister and poison.
माँ गंगा ने उसको बुलाई है और वो बोल रहे हैं कि 47 तक 47 का शाश्वत भी रहेंगे अगर क्योंकि कहीं समंदर में डूबते हैं, कहीं गंगा में डूबते हैं, कभी गुहा में जाते हैं, कभी अकेले तपस्या करते हैं। उस तपस्या का फल अगर उनको मिलने वाला है तो मुझे मालूम नहीं। मैं तो इस पे बिलीव करता हूँ, काम करे तो पेट को खाना मिलता है। ये हमारा अगर आप अच्छा काम किए रिजल्ट अच्छा रहता है। इफ यू डू गुड थिंग गुड रिजल्ट विल बी देयर, इफ यू डू बैड थिंग बैड रिजल्ट विल बी देयर। अगर उनको बुरा करके अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलता है तो उनको छोड़े। अगर हम बोल रहे हैं भाई ये विष है, दिस इज ए पॉइजन, डोंट टच इट, नो वेदर इट इज ए पॉइजन और नॉट, जस्ट आई विल लीक, थोड़ा चाट के देखता हूँ अगर कोई बोला तो व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट। सो लाइक दैट मोदी।
Let's remind you how Rahul Gandhi and his coterie are trying to paint the Prime Minister as a blabbering madman. Take a look.
देश के प्रधानमंत्री चमचों के सामने इंटरव्यू में खुल के कहते हैं मैं बायोलॉजिकल नहीं हूं, मैं बायोलॉजिकल नहीं हूं, मुझे परमात्मा ने ऊपर से भेजा है, मिशन के लिए भेजा है। सड़क पे आपको ये कोई कह दे तो आप उसे क्या कहोगे? उसे कहोगे भैया माफ करो, काम अपना करो, हमें अपना काम करने दो।
मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठे हैं प्रधानमंत्री। एक तो पहली बीमारी उनको पहले से ही थी कि गलती से भी सच नहीं बोल सकते थे, झूठ की बीमारी, झूठ की महामारी वो फैला रहे थे। जो व्यक्ति कहता है मैं इंसान नहीं हूँ, मैं पैदा नहीं हुआ हूँ, भगवान ने मुझे यहाँ रखा है, तो कुछ जरूर गड़बड़ है।
கடந்த ஒரு வாரமாக பார்த்தீர்கள் என்றால் பைத்தியம் பிடித்தவரை போல, மன நோயாளியை போல உளறிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றார். 400 ஆரம்பித்த அவருடைய உளறல் இன்றைக்கு நான் கடவுள் என்னை நேரடியாக பெற்று அனுப்பினாரா அல்லது உருவாக்கி அனுப்பினாரா என்று சொல்லவில்லை, கடவுளிடமிருந்து வந்திருக்கின்றேன் என்று சொல்றார்.
While giving a sharp rebuttal, Prime Minister said on one hand there is Modi who's working hard for this nation and on the other hand there is opposition who's busy abusing him. Listen in.
24 के इस चुनाव में एक तरफ 24 घंटे आपके लिए मेहनत करने वाला मोदी है, तो दूसरी तरफ 24 घंटे आपसे झूठ बोलने वाला इंडी गठबंधन है। एक तरफ मोदी है जो 24 घंटे 7 दिन 2047 में विकसित भारत बनाने में जुटा है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ ये इंडी गठबंधन है। इंडी गठबंधन के पास काम नहीं है, जेल में विश्राम करके रहते हैं, कोई बाहर रहते हैं, और इसलिए ये इंडी गठबंधन दिन हो या रात सिर्फ मोदी को गालियां देने में जुटा है।
Well, Mallikarjun Kharge's remarks have sparked a massive political war of words. The Bharatiya Janata Party is now all guns blazing at Kharge, the Congress president, who had also triggered a row in the past after he likened Prime Minister to a poisonous snake. Saffron Party denounced Congress chief, stating he cursed the Prime Minister with malicious intent. Sharpening the attack, BJP said Congress is making personal comments on Prime Minister because they have nothing positive, no positive agenda to speak about.
एक तरफ मिशन और विशन है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का कि देश को 10वें से तीसरे स्थान पर ले जाना है, अर्थव्यवस्था में 25 करोड़ लोगों को गरीबी से निकालना है, करोड़ों लोगों तक सामाजिक जनकल्याणकारी नीतियां पहुंचानी है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डबल रेट से बढ़ाना है। परंतु दूसरी तरफ ना मिशन ना विशन, केवल अपना अपना करप्शन, अपना अपना एम्बिशन, अपना अपना कंफ्यूजन और फ्रस्ट्रेशन में लगातार जिस प्रकार की भाषा प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के लिए बोली जा रही है, क्या ये मोहब्बत की दुकान है या ये नफरत का सामान है? ये दिखाता है कि आज क्योंकि उन्हें हार नजर आ रही है तो कभी ये लोग देश की संस्थाओं पर सवाल खड़े करते हैं, सेना को गाली देते हैं, देश के संवैधानिक पदों पर आसीन व्यक्तियों की मरने मारने की और हिंसा की कामना करते हैं और कहते हैं हम ये मोहब्बत की दुकान चला रहे हैं।
This is the lowest of low. You're doing a disservice to the office of the Prime Minister, because this is the elected representative of crores of Indians who has worked tirelessly for every single segment of society. Mr. Kharge obviously has no intellectual stimulation and no kind of vision plan from his party, and that's why he equates the Prime Minister to poisonous and wishes him such bad omens which are unthinkable. Wake up, Congress Party, because you're going to be reduced to a regional party in the days to come.
I mean, Rahul Gandhi has really lost his marbles. He is utterly gobsmacked by what's happening. It's very obvious as to, I mean, you have to have a mind to have a mental balance, right? You need to have a brain to have any kind of an issue. So we are very curious to know as to what is going on in that pretty little head of his. And clearly, there's very little grey matter there. So that explains his lack of gravitas, his lack of seriousness, and his completely juvenile behavior, and also the language that he uses for the Prime Minister. Whether it's somebody from the opposition, there has to be a certain dignity.
कि राहुल गांधी को जल्दी अस्पताल में भर्ती कराना चाहिए। कहीं तनाव में उनका जो ये माथा है वो कुछ नस वस हिल न जाए इधर उधर। कल राहुल गांधी जी आए थे हमारे यहाँ नॉर्थ ईस्ट दिल्ली में, 1400 कुर्सी लगाई गई और उसमें भी 300 खाली रह गए। भाई फ्रस्ट्रेशन तो होता है। तो अब राहुल गांधी जी कांग्रेस के नेता नहीं हैं, अब राहुल गांधी माओवादी कांग्रेस के नेता हैं। सारे कांग्रेसी भी उनसे दूर हो गए और देश के लोग तो दूर थे ही।
See, Congress is left with no option other than hate, abuse and disgust and filth. It's filled in the mind of Congress. And they can abuse anyone. Prime Minister के लिए तो बहुत छोटी बात है. When they can think that if Modi comes, Sanatan will come back. When their hatred towards Sanatan is so much, so abusing Prime Minister is not a big deal for them. But let me tell you, after 4th June, they will be abandoned. The ship called Congress will sink.
Sabyasachi is joining us with more details. Sabyasachi, BJP says that abusing the Prime Minister is nothing new. It's a normal for the Congress and that it will backfire.
Well, absolutely. See, the BJP says that it is not new for the Congress party to abuse Prime Minister Narendra Modi. See, time and again, the Congress party and the India Alliance partners have been abusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also dragging his family. But this time, BJP says that this shows the desperation of the Congress party, and the Congress party is a sinking ship. And this time around in the Lok Sabha polls as well, they are not going to win a lot of seats, and that is a result why time and again, because of the frustration and the desperation that is being created within the India Alliance partner and the Congress party, they are continuously attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi on a personal basis. Now we have seen that the war of words is continuously escalating. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says that it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who is available and who has been working hard for the people 24/7, whereas on the other hand, the India Alliance partners as well as the Congress party have been lying to the people of the country 24/7.
Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We have Shahzad Poonawalla joining us as well on the broadcast. Shahzad Poonawalla, your comment on what Mallikarjun Kharge has said is drawing parallels between now Prime Minister Narendra Modi and poison, and we know how Rahul Gandhi said that the Prime Minister needs to see a psychiatrist.
You see, because of continuous defeats and because they are saying that it is NDA 400 par, now they have no mission vision left. They have only their frustration, and that frustration they've abused Prime Minister more than 125 times. They have abused his caste. They have abused his family. They have abused him for being a chaiwala. They call him Neech, Ganguteli, Bhasmasur. They abuse all kinds of things, and they even want to kill him because even the candidates of Congress have said that he should be hit with lathi or he should be dug under the ground like Aurangzeb. So this shows the language of the Congress party, the frustration of the Congress party, and it shows that they have not mohabbat ki dukan but nafrat ka saman. The question is only this, that when you abuse a sitting prime minister who's been elected by 140 crore Indians, it is abuse to the people of India. So now Mr. Khadge has abused people of India by saying that they have elected somebody who is poison. They have elected somebody who is not fit to be prime minister. So Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Khadge are abusing the Janata itself now.
So they are abusing the Janata, says Shehzad Poonawalla. BJP says it's going to backfire for the Congress party, for the opposition, and whoever in fact has taken a jibe at the Prime Minister. We have Sabyasachi who continues to be with us. We've seen this in the past as well. During elections, around elections, the opposition always takes jibes at the BJP, although the opposition would then remind the BJP of several such statements made by their leaders.
Well, absolutely. We are seeing that both the political parties have been engaging in war awards, whether it is the Congress party or the BJP. The Congress party first said from Rahul Gandhi itself that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should consult a psychiatrist. Then Mallikarjun Kharge draws a comparison with poison to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also says that by Prime Minister Narendra Modi talks about 2047 and whether he would be alive by that or not is a question. See, this has been the kind of remarks that is coming in from the Congress party. We had seen that earlier as well. They have been dragging the family members of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Despite that, Prime Minister Modi seems unhindered by this continuous personal remarks coming in from the Congress party. He says that this shows the desperation and that the Congress party is not going to win. They are going to lose with a massive margin, and that is the reason why they are continuously attacking me. And that is the job they have day and night, just wake up and abuse Prime Minister Narendra Modi. See, on the other hand, the Congress party says that Prime Minister Narendra Modi also has been passing some personal jive towards the Gandhi family, and he should avoid that and respect his share. See, the war awards is only going to intensify further. We have seen that several BJP leaders as well as the Congress leaders coming in front and bashing each other regarding this.
Absolutely. So what we see at the moment is a war of words between the Congress and the BJP after Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and several others took a personal jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Of course, the Prime Minister has also hit back, Sabyasachi. The Prime Minister himself is responding to these charges, saying that the opposition, especially the Congress, has nothing positive to say. They have no agenda and that's why they abuse me.
Well, absolutely. See, our Prime Minister from a stage while addressing the people clearly said that the Congress party does not have any positive agenda, and that is the reason why they have been abusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also spoke about the fact that we had seen in the past that time and again when Congress party as well as several leaders from the India bloc has been passing remarks against PM Modi. But he says that I am not bothered about such remarks because I am working for the betterment of the people, and what the India Alliance and the Congress party have been doing is lying to the people time and again. So clearly this has been the stand of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from day one since the announcement of the Lok Sabha polls. We had seen that several such remarks have been passed by Mallikarjun Kharge time and again. But PM says that it has become a daily routine of the Congress party and the India Alliance parties.